Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to write an simple and short essay or 10 lines paragraph, 10 lines and 10 sentences paragraph on global warming. You can see here it is clearly written global warming and stop global warming, save our planet. It's an important modern world issue. It can come in any of your exam, so you have to read it carefully and remember it. You can write it down to your notebooks. I have written it in very simple and easy words and short sentences, so you can learn it and remember it easily. So we are going to start it. First of all, you have to write down global warming heading on the top of the page. Then you have to start it within the paragraph. Global warming is a serious problem facing the world today. Global warming is the slow increase in the Earth's temperature over time. It happens when too much heat stays in the air around the Earth. The major causes of global warming are smoke from factories, vehicles burning fuels, and cutting down trees. It causes an increase in sea levels and floods. Global warming also leads to extreme weather like heat waves and heavy rains. It is harmful to human life, plants, and animals. We should plant more trees and save energy to reduce global warming. It can make the earth safer for future generations. That's it. It was your simple and small essay, or 10 lines or 10 sentences paragraph. You have to write it down in your paper as it, then you can get full marks. Take care of yourself. See you again in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.